Using Pubg livestream on Facebook is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, let's see from gaming console. For example, Xbox or PlayStation. Most gaming consoles offer built-in live streaming capabilities. If you're using Xbox or PlayStation, you can use the native streaming features to broadcast your gameplay directly to Facebook. On Xbox, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Then navigate to the Broadcast and Capture tab and select Start Broadcasting. On PlayStation, press the Share button on your controller, select Broadcast Gameplay, and choose Facebook as the streaming platform. If you're playing Pubg on PC, you can use broadcasting software like OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, or Split to live stream to Facebook. Download and install the broadcasting software of your choice. Open the software and configure your stream settings, including video bitrate, resolution, and audio settings. Obtain your Facebook stream key from the Facebook Live dashboard. In the broadcasting software, select Facebook as your streaming platform and enter your stream key. Once configured, start your Pubg game and begin streaming by clicking the Start Streaming button in the broadcasting software. If you prefer to live stream Pubg from your mobile device, you can use streaming apps such as Streamlabs Mobile, Omelette Arcade, or the built-in streaming feature in Pubg Mobile. Download and install a streaming app on your mobile device. Open the app and log in to your Facebook account. Then, follow the app's instructions to configure your stream settings, including resolution, bitrate, and stream title. Start Pubg Mobile on your device. In the streaming app, select Pubg Mobile as the game you want to stream. Then start your stream.